Wow, that's weird. So it looks like water has gotten into my lens in between the camera and the glass, and it's made it all blurry, which sucks. I mean, it was a rainy day today, and that probably doesn't help. And the rain probably got in places it shouldn't have gotten. It is what it is. It is what it is. Let's talk about today. Well, today was a good day. I enjoyed today. Work was constantly flowing. Work was good. I'm glad it's over, but yeah, work was good. I've clocked up 10 hours of like unpaid volunteer work, but it's good because if I ever just need days off or half an hour break, I'm gonna be like, "Hey boss, I'm gonna take half an hour break. Take it out of the hours you owe me." He's like, "Yep, yep." Yeah. So it's worked out to my strength, I guess. Played a bit of tanks with my mate, Australia. I need to buy new tyres for my bike, and I was looking at prices. Not too proud, it's got to be quite expensive. And I don't know when I'll do it either. I don't know. Things to think about. So I haven't heard anything from that teacher. And I had a small 10-minute chat to my American mate, but it was a good one. Just a small one. That was nice. Yeah, I think that's all. Peace. I wonder if that camera's gonna dry up. I'm gonna see if you can see it. You see that right there? It's all like, you can see the center of the camera is a bit blurry. That is because that's rain. There is water inside of it. Yeah.